So as you can see, I've already changed into my comfy nightwear. It's the end of the day. I'm taking off my makeup. So this is what I do. You want to get rid of all jewelry. This will be fun to watch. I think it's so tiny. It takes a while to come off. Okay. Finally. So if the first step is the double cleanse. So basically what happens is I go in with my Body Shop Camomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter with Calming Camomile extracts from Norfolk, England. It's suitable for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, dry, sensitive skin, oily skin, basically you can use this. It's a really nice product, smells great. Another thing, I used to use this from Pixi. I really liked it actually. So when I tried the Pixi Glow Tonic, I decided to try a couple of other products from Pixi, and then I tried this cleansing balms. Yeah, Pixi Nourishing Cleansing Balm with sweet almond oil and cocoa butter. So it's a balm to oil cleanser. Really good. I really liked it, and that explains why it's empty. But moving on to what I am currently on now. So is this by Body Shop, and this is how it looks. It's basically, that's a bit too much. Okay. So what you do is that's how it looks on the inside, and that's how it looks on the cover. So what you do is you're melting your makeup. Basically, makeup is made up of oil and water, two main ingredients, I think. So I'm just breaking it down to, oh, this is so soft, so soft. So you should definitely try this. Makeup is made up of water and oil, and before you decide to just go on with a face wash, you probably tried it before, you realize that you still have products on your skin after washing your face with just a face wash. So what this does is just break down all the makeup on your face before you wash it off with a cleanse. I usually like to go over with my eyes first. Your eyes are delicate and it takes some time to get off. So just go over the eyes, and in all this you want to be gentle. You don't want to be harsh to your skin. You want to be gentle. Apply this in a outward upward motion. I remember during Miss Ghana, FC was one of our sponsors, and we're talking about skin and your face, and then I remember them talking about doing an outward upward motion. I'm like, these guys are just being extra. But then come to think of it, imagine you're doing this, tugging at your skin every time. You're causing wrinkles. You're just really damaging your skin, because it's something you're doing morning and evening all the time. So definitely it does have an effect. So if you think I'm being extra by just doing the outward and upward motion, think again. You have gravity that's always pulling down your skin. You're trying to take care of your skin. You're trying to make it, as youthful as possible. And you want to help your skin as much as possible. So the things you can do to help, you do to help. That's it. And then I like to go in with, just wipe it off. Not too harsh. You can use, I usually use paper towels. Yeah, I'm being honest. I use paper towels, but you can do cleansing wipes as well. So that's all the dirt from the day, all the pollution, all the makeup and everything, all in here. So yeah, just get as much off as you can, and then yeah, so definitely use wipes for this. I tend to use these, but yeah, I think wipes would be better. And then the next step, as I said, we're doing a double cleanse. So if you're wondering how I came about this this step. I basically did some research. I said I want to take good care of my skin, so I basically did some research, and then I found out about the 10-step Korean skincare. So I watched it, 10 steps. I was really intrigued, like, how are you doing 10 things to your skin every morning and evening? But thinking about it, it's really not that bad, and I'm definitely not doing all the 10 steps, but then I adapted it to suit myself. So I do definitely do the double cleanse when I have makeup on, and then go in with my, so it's Aveeno Positive Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub, as you can see. And that's what it looks like. It's a gel cleanser. I really like it. It gets the job done. So I'm going to get my face washed, and then I'll see you for the next step. So I'm back. Cleaning my face. So usually I'll use a paper towel. One thing you need to know about me is I'm a neat freak, and I read somewhere that when you're using washcloths and all that, sometimes they have germs in them. I know paper towels are not very sustainable, and maybe I should switch. Maybe I will. Maybe I should. But yeah, for now, I'm just being honest. That's what I do, because I don't want to use a washcloth or a face towel where I'm using it maybe all the time and it has germs and stuff. I just feel like this is cleaner, and yeah. And you don't want to be tugging at your face. I think I mentioned already. You don't want to be tugging at your face because you're trying to be gentle and nice and sweet to your skin. It doesn't make any sense. I think it doesn't make any sense to buy all these products or have all these plenty skincare steps and then be pulling at your face or being harsh to your face. So the next step after your cleanser is a toner. Usually, if I'm feeling like it, I'll do a mask. So this is, sorry, I'm in love with Kiehl's, so almost everything is Kiehl's. So this is the Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask, and it's, just amazing. Smells amazing, is amazing. But today is a simple, everyday, what I do every day kind of tutorial, and this is what I do on a regular day. So after cleansing, I have my toner from The Ordinary, and the reason why I picked this toner is because it has glycolic acid. As I mentioned earlier, I did try the Pixi Glow Tonic, and that was milder. I really liked it. It has 5% glycolic acid. And if you're wondering what glycolic acid is, I was looking to refine my pores, get even smoother texture. And glycolic acid is an AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. And what it does is it cleanses the skin, I think it kind of like think about it. I'm trying to find the best analogy. Shaves down your skin a bit, smoothings it out. So if you have an even texture, you definitely should try glycolic. The next step after cleansing is toner, and I have this toner from The Ordinary. It's basically their glycolic acid 7% toning solution. And why a toner? Apparently, when you use a cleanser on your face, it distorts the pH balance of your face. And you want to use a toner to restore it back to its original pH. I did mention earlier that I've tried the Pixi Glow Tonic. When I was doing my research on skincare and deciding what products to get and what not to get, I found out about glycolic acid. And what glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid. Basically, you can just think of it as something that just cleans your pores. Just think of it as it cleans your pores. It doesn't go deep inside, because beta hydroxy acids are what goes deep inside your pores and cleans them. But the glycolic acid smooths out your pores and it gives you that poreless look. Well, that's what I've experienced from using it. So I like this. I tried Pixi. It was really mild. I really liked it. The Ordinary has 7%. Pixi has 5% of the glycolic acid. And I think I may want to go back to Pixi because that's milder. But this is also equally amazing if you want to try it. So as I said earlier, you still want to be gentle. So as I was saying, I'll probably go back to the Pixi Glow Tonic because I like to be really gentle with my skin. Like, I don't even do face towels, all these cleansing brushes that are in now, because I just feel like they're a bit too much for me. And I just want to keep my skin barrier nice and neat. So I'll do this and then let it dry down a bit. Just let it dry. The next step for me is my serum. If you study or if you do some research on Korean skincare, the next step after a toner is supposed to be an essence. And what they say about the essence is that the essence basically helps absorb everything else that you're putting on your skin. So everything else after the essence. But then I decided to skip that step. I just went ahead to do the serum. So here's my serum. It's a clearly corrective dark spot solution by Kiehl's, and I've already mentioned it in all my previous videos. I love this stuff. Love, love, love it. So I just put a few drops on my face. Gently rub it. Gently rub it into the skin. So as we said earlier, you want to be gentle with your skin. No tagging, no pulling, no pushing, nothing. Just gentle. And also let this dry. Now usually the next step for me is my eye cream if I'm feeling like it, because I don't really have any eye issues, puffiness or anything. But I just thought if I'm going to be taking care of my skin, why not do the whole routine or do the ones that I feel like I can do. So this is Kiehl's. Again, I'm sorry, everything is Kiehl's. Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Really nice. It's one of those creams where you apply and it just feels like, you know, you have balls of water just bursting. Very, 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 very hydrating. So I'll put this is probably too much. Put this under my eye area. And just pat it in. Just pat, pat, pat. Don't want to be harsh. And then I go on with my Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream. So before I did Kiehl's, before I tried the Kiehl's Gel Cream, I tried the Moisture Surge by Clinique Moisture Surge, 72 hour Moisture Surge, and I did that for my eyes as well. It was really nice. I liked it. I like this too. It's very lightweight, very, you know, it dries down matte. It's amazing to wear, and it feels you know when you're moisturized, you feel it. So you'd be surprised that even though it's a gel cream, it really moisturizes your face. In the same way, you know, being gentle, upward motion, upward, outward, just being gentle with your skin. And I still have some of this. I learned that you can just warm your hands and push the product in some more. So instead of just letting it sit on your face, because apparently when we put products on our face, it doesn't really go that much. It doesn't seep deep into our pores, and this can help a bit. Although you probably want to like get a facial. I've forgotten what it's called. I think a microneedling facial, and that helps products go about 80% deeper into your skin. But for now, since you're not getting a microneedling facial, you can just, you know, warm your hands and push the product into your pores. So that's basically it for my nighttime routine. That's basically it for my nighttime routine. I'll do a moisturizer, and maybe if I did a mask, then I'll have the mask. And oh yeah, of course, I have my lip mask from Kiehl's. Everything is Kiehl's, sorry. Because I like them, so yeah. So they have this Kiehl's butter mask for lips. It's an overnight lip treatment. Very, very moisturizing. So I have very interesting face. So I have oily skin, then normal skin, and then really, really, really dry lips. I'm the type of person that if I sleep without maybe lip gloss or lip balm or a mask, I'll wake up with cracked lips. So I do this, and then yeah, we are good to go. On any other day, if I'm feeling extra, if I'm feeling extra, I'll do a sheet mask to just be extra. But then that's basically it. And I like to put the remaining products on the back of my hands too, because apparently if you want to tell the age of a woman, you can tell from the back of the hand. So if I'm taking care of the skin on my face, I probably want to take care of the skin on my hands as well. So that's basically it. Yes, I ran through everything, and it's basically the same routine that I personally do for daytime as well. So daytime, you go on with an SPF because are you in Ghana? Are you experiencing the sun? The sun is really, really hot. And maybe I'll do a video where I talk about SPF and the different types of SPF and the different types that I have tried. I've tried some really interesting ones. I mean, I tried to love them, but then they weren't loving me back, leaving white cast and all that. What I forgot to mention is that AHAs and BHAs are also chemical exfoliants. So usually you have a mask or you have a scrub that has, you know, physical exfoliants. So you have maybe crushed bits of seeds or something, just something that you can physically exfoliate the skin. So I think that's what I was trying to say, that basically the chemical exfoliant does what a physical exfoliant would do, just that in a more, I feel like in a more even way, because you're applying it evenly. With the physical type where you have crushed maybe a scrub that has physical abrasive properties inside, I feel like you're not able to do everything evenly. So maybe you're scrubbing the side hard, and then you just scrub this for maybe 10 seconds, and you're scrubbing this for 20 seconds. So basically that's it. So that's my skincare routine. During the day, I'll go on with an SPF if I'm going into the sun. But honestly, if I'm indoors, I'm not sitting by a window, I'll probably not do SPF because I'm still trying to find the perfect, you know, matte SPF that doesn't leave a white cast, that doesn't ball at the makeup and all that. And I think we'll talk about that maybe in our next video or in a video coming up. But if you stay to the end of this video, I really appreciate you for staying. I hope you learned something. I really hope that if you're not doing these already, I really hope that this video inspires you to start taking care of your skin. So if you'd like to get any of these products, I will link SkinTrees GH below, because that's where I personally get my products. But I think there are other online shops in Ghana where you can get your products. And I also want to say thank you to Mona. So today at church, I won I won these eyeshadow palettes and stuff from England. We had a little quiz, and then I was able to answer a question. So I got all these England products. So I'm excited to try them out, and maybe in the next video and a couple of other videos, or in the next video, you see me use some of these products. So thank you so much for staying. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so anytime I upload a video, you get to see it. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely day and enjoy the rest of the week. Alright, see you. Bye.